Welcome back to Probid Academy. I hope you are doing well today. In this video, we are going to dive into another set of 25 common English words and their correct pronunciation. Before we get started, I want to ask for your support. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Our first word today is this one. Off. Next. Other. Next. About. Next. Out. Next. Many. Next. Then. Next. Them. Next. This word is very confusing because we have two words. This one THIS and THESC. My dear friend, whenever I have THIS, that is this, not this. But whenever we have THEAC, that is these or these. So you can remember THIS, that is this, and THEAC, these. So that is very confusing, so you can clearly understand it. Next, so. Next, some, like that. Next, that is her, not her, that is her, like that. Next, make. Next, like. Next, him, like that. Next, enter, but you can say also into, that's fine. Next, time. Next, that is very confusing. We can say has, no, that is has. Next, look. Next, more. Next, right, like that. I hope this video has been helpful in improving your English pronunciation. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video beneficial, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.